In this video, we want to find the inverse Laplace transform of 6 over s to the fourth plus 7 over s squared plus 49 plus 5 over s plus 3. We're going to treat the inverse Laplace transform of each one individually. So let's look at inverse Laplace transform of 6 over s to the fourth. That looks to be of the form n factorial over s to the n plus 1 power, which the inverse Laplace transform is t to the n. Here, the easiest way to do this is to look at the exponent. The exponent here is n plus 1, and over here it's 4. So if you set n plus 1 equal to 4, you get n is 3. So this will just be t cubed. And let's move on to 7 over s squared plus 49. This is of the form of a over s squared plus a squared. I can rewrite 7 over s squared plus 49 as 7 over s squared plus 7 squared. Clearly, a has to be 7. So instead of sine of at, we'll say it's sine of 7t. And finally, we're looking at 5 over s plus 3. We know this looks very similar to 1 over s minus a. So what we could do is factor out the 5. I say this is times 1 over s minus negative 3. And so this means that a is negative 3, and then we just need to multiply by 5 to get 5 times e to the negative 3t power. So putting it all together, we find that f of t is equal to t cubed plus sine of 7t plus 5e to the negative 3t power.